Avocado Ninja.
Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Marketing Cloud Account Engagement Optimizer. So we're aware that there is an optimizer available on the Salesforce side. However, it is fairly new to Marketing Cloud Account Engagement. And I do believe it's still in the beta stage, so there should be extra functionality that we can expect to roll out in the future with this. So to access the optimizer, you go to account engagement settings and optimizer. And what the optimizer, I guess the purpose of it is to give you an overview of your business unit and to give you recommendations or allow you to be proactive in essentially optimizing it, right? So when you first come to the optimizer page, you'll have this little status here. Mine says looking good. There's no issues that have really been identified right now, but this would change if there was improvement needed or whatnot. So you'll know immediately what state or the health of your business unit. On the right here, we have a prospect change monitor. And what that does is it gives you insight. You'll see all the different features here, like dynamic lists, automation rules, Salesforce connector, imports, engagement studio. What it does is it gives you insight into, which of these automations are, using up the most, I guess, processing power. And it will allow you to sort of adjust, your API integrations or adjust your automations, for the benefit of optimizing your business unit. So that's your prospect change monitor. That's what that is. If we scroll down, if you have any configuration issues, it will list those for you and what to do. So it really does sort of prompt you to be very proactive in sort of amending or resolving any issues, and things that you might not necessarily know about straight away. So I think that it's great that you can see everything in one place. It gets better as we go down the page. So then we have performance improvement measures, which will give you a table of any actionable measures that you can take to optimize your business unit. I don't have any, but if I clicked on all, it would show me everything that's good at this point. So, what it's looking at, opportunities per prospect, for example, status is good, the feature area that's been checked, and if there's any, action needed. Right, so it will tell me here, to avoid future issues from data skew, associate each prospect with less than 10,000 opportunities, for example. But I would just keep this on actionable measures because it's just going to allow you to jump to action quite quickly if you see anything there. And then at the bottom here, I think this is really great too. It's like a little gem at the bottom of the page, which is use these maintenance tools to keep your business unit in great shape. And what it does is it will allow you to, pick up any inactive automation rules. It will allow you to pick up inactive dynamic lists or unused dynamic lists, which I have quite a few of because I create a lot of test lists. But this is really great because if you do have, 50 plus lists, hundreds of lists, you are able to quickly see what's not being used and do something with it. So you could just select all, or, even if you select a few and just, delete them, for example, right? That's going to be really useful for you, I think. As time goes on and you're building out multiple automation rules and multiple lists, you have the ability to at least delete some or clean up your org. And it's really looking at the automated list, so the dynamic lists or the automation rules. So anything that's really using, processing power. So that's the optimizer. It's a really great feature. Have a look at it. If you have any questions for us, please drop them in the comments and we will get back to you. And thanks for watching.